Saw a tree as we're driving up the road. Now we can hear chainsaws in the background, falling trees.
What? He tried to undercut, driving a wedge in. Kind of falling toward the road makes it easy to pull him out. Look at this road goes in miles like the other one does, right? I'm gonna go in there. There's more than one person. I know there is.
Going to walk in and see if I can find out where they are exactly and see what kind of trees are falling in here. But decided that it might be too dangerous as over the chainsaws I wouldn't know which direction that was coming from or if I was even there, and didn't want to get hit by a falling tree.
What? Well, no, he's right in there. That's where it is. Right there. Yeah,
Look at the sawdust spouts. It's very visible. They've been cutting in here for a long time. This is an old landing. There's all kinds of slabs around and signs of extensive logging.
No, as soon as it falls, I'm going to run in there. Look at this road goes in there a long ways too. What? I don't. Which one is it? That one?
Up here, I'll show you.
What? How do you know which one it is? Well, that's what I think. That's what I think it is, right? I don't know.
The tallest one.
Doesn't mean that's the one he's working on. Sometimes they have to knock the smaller one down there so the other one will drop clear, right?
Yeah.
Well, why is it taking so long to cut it down?
It was taking a long time to go around.
There's no sign saying active logging or nothing. They drop no sign saying active logging. They drop a tree on some tourist or us. Look at this one. Look at the size of this. Look at the size of these butts. I just want to get out of here, Danny.
I think we'll head back towards the road, see if we can get a photo of that tree that they're working on falling.
Well, I'd like to go in there to get a picture of them bucking it up. Well, that's what I'm going to do. I don't want them to drop a tree on me. Huh? Look at this road. Can't get in there. Hard to get out of here. They put a dropping on me.
They're bucking up.
Yeah. Well, they could be falling one too. Should we bother to confront, what's his name about it? There it goes. There it goes. Huh. It's coming this way.
Look at all the debris and the other trees that's come down with it, right? That it damages on its way down. I don't know. It's hard to say if this logging is what Mayacan Trails had in mind to cut down the hardwood jungle. It's pretty nice to have that attribute to our property. It looks like it's disappearing at a fast rate.